I did a little mohawk section down the middle. And if you see this, you can see our little guide right there. See it? Right there. Okay? So more than likely, we're going to cut this all off. But we don't know yet because we have to find our guide back here. Okay? So let's just, for the sake of doing this, let's see. O-bone. Grab that hair right at the O-bone and see how much wiggly room you got. Ah, look. You got tons of wiggle room. See, this is not as long as up here. So you could either continue this down at 45-degree angle like this, and you are so safe. You're not gonna cut any lines. You're not gonna cut the length off. See this? Because this doesn't even connect. Okay? So you could do it that way and it'll be really nice and soft layers. Or you could cut it straight across like this and connect the two dots.